It is the following day. Now what I did yesterday afternoon, it's mud flaps, but what was done on the suspension, it's shocks, coilovers, rack ends and tie rod ends, V-arms with new ball joints, and new brake discs, and on the rear, coilovers as well, and new master brake cylinder at the rear, and wheel bearings, yeah, and the mud flap. Yeah. Now I'm left with the lower lip. So it sits like this. So I don't know about this part now. Why is it overlapping? Where will the tire rotate now? Did I buy the incorrect lip or what? What took one? Oh, wrong side. Wrong side. But still, this part. What is happening? Did I buy the correct part or what, guys? Okay, let's see something. Okay, the wheel is in. Let's see what's happening. Why is it like this? Doesn't look like it's gonna touch. I wonder. Then maybe, just maybe, I'll cut it. Let's hope it doesn't look ugly. It was looking awful, so I had to cut it. So yeah, I think this is better.
Driving dreams rolling out the door. Davis Motors, we give you more. From city streets to open roads, find your right, let the journey unfold. is waiting for you.